Hello guys, this is Tech Master. So on this video today, I'm going to show you how you can reset your GoPro Hero Session camera. So you can see the camera here. So if you want to reset it, sometimes people are finding it difficult, but on this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset it in a very simple way. You can see the camera here, which is GoPro Hero Session. So what we have to do here is very simple. You can see this button here, which is this one here. This button here is the selecting button. This one is to enter, is the enter button. So how to do this is to tap on this button here, which is the selecting button, which is this one at the bottom here. You have to hold it. I will tap it now. So you can see I have pressed it, and you can see it here. This one here, I have just pressed it. Just keep on holding it. It will pop up something. Just keep on holding it until you see something pop up. So you can see what this thing that will pop up here. It will show this that you can see on the screen. It will show reset Wi-Fi, no, yes. So we have to use this selecting button here. I will click on the selecting button. As you can see, I have moved to yes. And what I have to do here, I will come to this session here and I will click on the confirm button, which is this one, to say yes. So once I click on that, it will start showing resetting. Once it starts showing resetting, it will show Wi-Fi settings reset. So once you show that, you click on enter, and that is it. That is how you can reset your GoPro Hero Session Wi-Fi if you want to connect it to your smartphone. So that is it, guys, and you can be able to change the password and do whatsoever you want, play around with it. So that is it, guys. All you just need to do for me now, hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, let me know the kind of video you want me to make next about tech, and thank you very much, guys. See you soon.